Happy Monday, everyone.
Yeah. It's like, you know.
What are you doing, Matt?
The door latch on the Ram Charger
Yeah.
has been sticking. We think it's like the plastic coating, so I'm trying to cut that back and see if that'll fix it.
Oh,
Because
okay.
we can't find any new ones for it, so
I gotcha.
hopefully we can make this work.
Kirby's pride and joy.
Does anything else have to come in here tonight?
What are you doing, Carson?
I am modifying parts
Yeah,
so that way they will work for.
What is that?
It's the Gen 2 iBooster.
Oh, okay.
It's going in the Ram Charger.
This one.
That one. It's the black Ram Charger.
What do you make, like, modifying how it mounts? Or
Yes,
what?
and
Oh,
the
okay.
vehicle that it originally comes in, they mount the bolts are at an angle,
Yeah.
and it makes our reservoir sit crooked. So we made a piece to change
That's
how
straight.
it sits, so
Yeah.
it sits straight.
Nice. Where'd Mo go?
He ran away.
Of course he did.
Oh, hi!
Found him. What are you doing, Mo?
Just finishing off the wiring for the iBooster.
Oh, okay. Nice.
And then once they finish their bracket for the iBooster, we can get the computer mounted back up to it because the bracket they made bolts up just like the factory brake booster did.
Yeah.
And 2 of those bolts hold up the computer bracket. So should be tomorrow. All this should be powder coated, reinstalled, and hopefully ready to start.
Nice.
Have we had some good?
How's it going?
Good.
Sandy.
Yeah.
Or scuffing?
Sandy.
What's this for?
Custom iBooster adapter.
I was going to say, is that what
Yeah.
Carson's working on? You're welding it?
So this is so we can adapt the Gen 2 iBooster, I think it is, to the factory
Mount.
93 Dodge Ram.
Nice. Somebody's been scanning the hood. What did we scan the hood for? You making a hood scoop?
Yeah, we're making a hood scoop and we're gonna make a chin spoiler.
Oh, okay.
So we scan the front valance as well.
What are you working on now?
This is for the other Mustang. The inside of the door.
The what?
The inside of the door. We're covering up the latches.
Oh, okay.
Same thing I was working on a week ago. Really hard. It's kicking my butt.
Going good?
Trying to find a car.
Trying to find the car?
Yeah.
Right on.
Big pile of rust there.
Yeah, I see it.